Hello everyone, Ilya with View Renovation. I'm excited and proud to present you this beautiful project. It's a 200 square feet addition that we performed to this house. 2-bathroom remodel, one of them is a master bathroom, the other one is a guest bathroom. We're gonna take you through this beautiful project. You're gonna hear from Calvin or Karen, our clients. They're gonna take you through the process and explain you about the experience. Follow us.
We were looking for design build firms in this area that could specialize in the Bay Area. The Golden View was like one of the first ones to respond. They just seemed like the most reliable, and we felt a very good camaraderie. When we first bought this house, it was a little bit outdated. So we wanted to remodel, add some square footage. We finally decided to just go with it.
Yeah, during the start of the process, we were obviously really considering several things, but I think what it boiled down to was extending our master bedroom. So we added 200 square feet to the master bedroom, which included the master bath and just sizing that up. And then we also did a remodel of the other bathroom in the hallway as well. Elio was our project manager. He was really easy to get along with. He was able to explain the process simply. He was really great in terms of just walking us through each step of the process.
He was very responsive. If we had a question or an issue, he would always be right there. We felt comfortable reaching out to him.
The designers were near and helped. Karen brought in pictures of, kind of like ideas of what we wanted to do, what it would look like. There was a little bit back and forth, and ultimately kind of reached the end result.
We went into the showroom for the bathrooms and just picked out our materials. I mean, each major phase of a project, Iliad would walk us through the new space. Each step of the construction was well explained in the walkthroughs. They were very helpful.
I felt they did what they promised and, loved the result.